Hello guys, today we're gonna tell you how to create a website with Wix.com. So before starting video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So here we can scroll down and go to Wix.com. So we can create a website with Wix. So click here on the Wix free website builder, and here the page is opening. So the page is open. Click on the get started, and here you can see create a website you are proud of. Discover the platform that gives you the freedom to create, design, manage and develop your website. Press is exactly the way you want. So here scroll down and let's see other things. The freedom to create the website you want. Design and build your own high quality website where you are promoting your business, showcasing your work, opening your store and starting big. You can do it with the Wix website builder. So here you can easily design a website. Different kind of websites you can build. You can see here and click on get started. Online your unique, build your online unique presence, customize your site and lot more options. So with this website you can create a website only in 10 to 20 minutes. Sign up. If you already have an account, then sign in. If you don't have, then sign up with Google or Facebook. So we sign in with Google. And this is loading. It's taking time because the Wi-Fi connection is slow. So here you can see it's opening, and now get a stunning website created just for you. Click on get started. And what kind of website you want to build? Travel agency, school, online sport. So we want to create an online sports goods store. So click on that and name your website. You can also skip this step. What is your website for? So our website for sports. And does your website need any of the following features? Yes, we want to get subscribers. What is the name of your business? Our business name is Samak. And this is very easy to build a website in only 10 to 20 minutes if you have a good Wi-Fi connection, and if you have good internet connection and PC, so you can build easily. Keep going, and here your address. Pick at the theme and your website is preparing. So it's very easy, and this is just a tutorial. And if you want to become want to make a professional website, so you have to give time to that, and easily you can build a website. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel. You can get all another video on this topic.